Babe, who is this girl? Who is this girl?
Let me explain.
Explain what?
I can explain.
Why explain to your ancestors?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Bros, I quit you. Bros, well done. Bros, quit you.
God have mercy upon us.
Come. Who kill you when you dey disturb our neighborhood now? Eh? Say person wey kill you dey this neighborhood. Why you just dey disturb us for this area now?
I don't die.
You no know say you don die like this.
Say what?
I can explain. Through that girl hit me, I die. Oh, you see your life? Give your life to Christ. No. Repent. No. See where you land yourself.
I can't look at your eyes. Please.
For this bad economy, you still get bad character. Make them push you go taraba, make them do solution. I'm on 10 and kilo party where they play.
Boss, what do you want to explain now?
Okay, babe. Babe. Wait, fine, we no answer. So, what do you really want? What do you want? Do you want me or you want her?
Yeah. I want you.
Me?
Yes, I want you.
Why are you then shitting on me?
I want her. You now understand. I want both of you.
Oh!
I love you. Babe, I love you both.
You want her, right? Don't worry, I'm done.
Come on, we can settle this.
Babe, you want me?
Yeah.
You want her? I can see you are still confused.
God have
No,
mercy upon us.
I know what I want.
You don't know what you want yet? Babe, once you derive at what you want, you let me know. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done. What do I really want?
I love her. I also love her. My mom said I should go for anything I love. Have I done anything wrong?